Hello my beautiful family members. In this video I'll be sharing this delicious, amazing, crunchy chin-chin recipe with you all. You all are going to love it, and I want to say a very big thank you to everyone who have subscribed to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys, and I love you. So let's get started. So here are the list of the ingredients I'll be using: sugar, margarine, flavor. I'm using pineapple flavor. You can use vanilla flavor as well. I have some powdered milk, salt, and some seed nutmeg that I'll be grating. I will also be using some water for kneading. Then the first thing I'll be doing is to measure my flour. So this is the right way to measure your flour. You scoop your flour into your cup, your measuring cup. It's not that you dip your measuring cup inside your flour. No, you scoop it and then you level it. You can see the way I do it in this video. Then the next thing you're going to be doing is to sieve your flour. Always make sure that before you use your flour, make sure that your flour is properly sieved. So once I'm done sieving my flour, I'm just going to add the rest of my ingredients: my salt, powdered milk, and my nutmeg. So I'm grating my nutmeg. Then I also add my flavor. So I'm going to mix all that together. Then the next thing I'll be adding is my margarine. So I'm going to mix in my margarine very well until the margarine and the flour mix together and you have this texture. The next thing is I'll start adding my water bit by bit. Then I'll mix this until a dough is formed. So I will always advise, whenever you are adding water to your flour, please always add it bit by bit. Don't just add your water at once, because there are some flour that tend to absorb more water than other flour. So we have different brands, so always add your water bit by bit. Once I form a dough, then I'll transfer it to my work surface and I'll start to knead this very well. The full list of all the ingredients that I use will be listed down in the description box below. Please do check it out. So after kneading this, I divide this dough into 4 parts. So I just cut it into little parts so that it will be so easy for me to work with. So I pick one, then I roll this out. Always dust your work surface with some flour before you roll your dough out. So I'm going to roll this dough very flat and very thin. You can see how flat and thin it is. So the next thing, I'll start by cutting out my chin-chin. If you are yet to subscribe to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and be part of the family. I share amazing recipe on my channel that you are going to like and love. And once you subscribe, don't forget to turn on your notification bell, so whenever I drop a new video, you will be notified. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share and drop some comments in the comment section. So this is what I have after cutting my ChinChin. So the next thing, I'll start to fry my ChinChin. So I'm adding my vegetable oil into the pot I'll use to fry my ChinChin. So I drop some onions inside the oil. So I like to add some onions inside my ChinChin whenever I'm frying my ChinChin. And if you don't like it, you can totally skip it. So the next thing is to start adding your ChinChin inside the oil and allow this to fry. Whenever you are frying your ChinChin, don't worry about the ChinChin sticking together. Once you start frying the ChinChin, everything will start coming out one after the other. I'm just using a skewer to stir the ChinChin together. So I'm going to allow this ChinChin to fry until it is golden brown. And this is what I have. Can you see how golden brown the color the ChinChin have? So I'm just taking the ChinChin out from the oil, and I'll repeat the same process to fry the rest of the ChinChin. I would like you to try out this recipe and share your experience with me. Family members, this is what I have after frying the ChinChin. This ChinChin is super delicious, super crunchy. You need to try it out. Till I come your way in my next video, keep believing in yourself. Bye bye guys, and thank you for watching.